Hi, I'm Chad Baker here reporting from Cleveland, Ohio. I'd like to be the Today Show kid reporter so that I can be the youngest kid reporter at the age of 9 years old. I know that I can do it because I am the man. Anyways, here, I'm on deadline, so I gotta go because they only gave me 1 minute to do this package. So I gotta go. Cleveland's waiting for me. This is Chad Baker reporting from Cleveland. Here you can see that I'm in front of Progressive Field, and the Indians haven't been doing so good. Excuse me, sir. Why are you still an Indians fan?
Well, because even though they don't do so good sometimes, it's still baseball, and baseball is a great sport. They've been our team for a long time now, and we'll just have to keep coming out regardless of whether they win or lose.
Thank you. Now, here I am at Brown Stadium, but there's so many empty seats, sometimes it's hard to tell if there's a game or not. But you know when we say at Cleveland, there's always a next year. We've seen so far that the Indians aren't very good, nor are the Browns or the Lake Erie Monsters. But we still have the Cavaliers, LeBron James and Shaquille O'Neal. Behind me, you can see the poster of LeBron James. How much do we love LeBron James and the Cavs? This much, because we are all witnesses. I'm Chad Baker, reporting from Cleveland, Ohio on the Today Show.